What do women want? The most common fact that women are look for nothing less than a hot model is a myth. They are just waiting for someone in front of whom they can be their real with no fear of being judged. Someone who will love them, cares for them, protect them and accept them just they are. Women like men who aren't flawless. It is often a believed notion among majority of men that women are inclined towards the opposite sex because of specific physical entities, but it's wrong. Based on a study, 72% of women really didn't prefer flawless men. Tall versus short. There is no much preference for women when it comes to height. All they are attracted to is his self-confidence. Mostly girl would prefer a guy who makes them feel protected. During the study, when women were asked to pick an ideal guy for long-term relationship, many of them picked out ones who were medium or short-heighted. Muscular versus strong. Not all strong men are muscular and vice versa. When women were asked to pick an ideal guy to date from a bunch of men comprising muscular, strong and both, a few, the former was quite sure to go for the strong ones. Rich versus moderate earner. There is popular notion that behind every successful man there is a woman. And trust me when I say that women of today still believe to follow it. No matter how much the society blames them of being gold diggers, not all women fall in the similar category. When the group of women was asked to pick out men from three categories, rich, moderate earners and poor, the moderate earners were high on stake. Serious versus humorous. If the way to a man's heart is through his stomach, then a woman can be won over by wit and humor. Today's woman might be level-headed in work, strong-minded in boardrooms, or even dominant in bedroom, but they melt down to humor. Money-minded versus creative. It was observed that when women were asked to date two types of men, money-minded and creative, mostly the latter ones were asked for second dates. No doubt a few women went gaga over the formers for their natural instinct to save and make more money to spend more. However, it was the creative guys who were preferred to be dated again. Clean-shaven versus bearded. No doubt clean-shaved men are cute, but bearded men get more brownie points. According to observations made during the study, it was found that women preferred bearded or rugged-looking men over chocolate-faced guys. To women, beard meant patience, maturity, chivalry, sensitive, and men sporting them outshined the others in group. If you enjoyed watching our video, do like and share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.